Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review my dream, the most desirable bag by Gucci. This is my dream purse that I've dreamed about for the last 15 years. So this is a Gucci Guccisimma. This is a micro Guccisimma, which this is the most favorite print ever. So there is two types of Gucci Guccisimma. There is a regular Gucci Guccisimma and there is a micro Gucci Guccisimma. So both of these are the most favorite prints that Gucci ever had. I mean, in their lifetime. And the micro Gucci Guccisimma, this is the most favorite from two options. So Guccisimma in Italian literally means the most Gucci, more Gucci, please. Oh my god, yes. The Guccisimma pattern features the interlocking GG logo, which is embossed in 2006 by the creative director of Gucci, Frida Giannini. The Guccisimma letter was introduced first time into Gucci in 2006 and it's still always on the go. And this is one of the most desired Gucci prints ever for me and for the whole world. I think that's the most beautiful what Gucci ever created and done. By the way, I hate the cloth, Gucci print. I think it looks cheap and ugly. Honestly, I mean, this is my idea. Please let me know your opinion down below. Obviously, we are all different. So why this is my dream Gucci bag? So what happened is that about 15 years ago, I was a student. I couldn't afford that type of a bag. I mean, and I was always a huge fan of anything high-end. Unfortunately, I couldn't afford a whole bag back then. The whole story happened about 10, maybe 12 years ago, something like that. So I couldn't afford a bag, but I could afford a wallet, and this is what I've done. I bought the wallet from the Guccisimma collection. This is a micro Guccisimma as well, and I've got so very excited. So I bought this wallet from an official Gucci boutique in Israel, in Tel Aviv, and that was the most first high-end purchase ever. I think that was even the very first time that I ever stepped into a luxurious boutique. I was completely shaking, from my head to my toes. I was so very nervous and I was so very excited to buying that, and that was actually one of the most exciting experience. Just go into Gucci, entering Gucci and be able, to buy something, to actually not just look at items, but actually to buy. So I bought this wallet, and basically this wallet back then was something about 600s, and this is how much I paid for this one, and that was, my first luxurious high-end purchase, and I was so very excited about it. And guys, I'm having this wallet for at least 10 years of every freaking day wearing. I wear this one daily. I use this one daily, and it's just in an amazing and gorgeous condition, unbelievably great and very, very good condition of the wallet. So yeah, this is why I honestly love buying high-end things, because I'm a person of one item. I don't like to wear every day different thing. I love to have my one item and to know that okay, that's the item I'm gonna wear for the next 5 years. This is how I like it. This is why high-end and all these big names like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, and so on, these are the right choice for me, because I will buy it once and I will wear it for the next few years and actually enjoy every single day of wearing this item. And then when I don't like it anymore, I will go and sell it, or I will just keep it, and I will still enjoy every single day of owning this item. That's my philosophy of buying high-end and luxurious items. So I bought this purse about 6, 8, maybe 7 months ago. I cannot really remember, but I was modeling this purse while I was still pregnant. Now I have a 3-month-old daughter, and she's so adorable and so very cute. But I was about maybe 5, 6 months pregnant back then, and we used to live in New Orleans, Louisiana back then, and today we are in NC. I mean, life is different now. So I bought this purse 6, 7 months ago, and if you think I've ever wore it, you're completely wrong. It is just simply staying on my shelf for the last 6 to 7 months. I honestly just completely forgot about this one. I just saw the Gucci folder in my Mac computer, and I was oh my god, right, I actually do need to do a review of this dream bag for me from Gucci. I basically only bought this because I wanted it like about 10-15 years ago. I wanted this bag so very bad and I couldn't afford it, so now I can afford it, so I just bought it now just to own it, if you know what I mean. I'm not really wear it, and I love this bag. Of course, I'm obsessed with this purse, but I don't think I will, you know, wear it a lot anytime soon. By the way, I bought these two bags. This is Alba BB, and I bought these two bags at the very same day, and they are the same size and the same style and the same shape. This is just proves how much I love this size and the shape. I truly think this is the perfect size and perfect shape for a bag. It just looks the best, and I mean, it looks amazing on a body. The size is the perfect size because pretty anything fits inside like easily. So yeah, I'm just a fan of that size and that shape of a bag. So this Gucci bag came with a strip, so you can wear this one with a strip. And yeah, I'm just a person of one item, so I am using and wearing every day my Louis Vuitton Alba BB bag that I reviewed here on my channel as well. So guys, you are very welcome to go check out my previous review of this is my everyday bag right now. That's the one that I'm wearing just daily. Anywhere I'm going, that's my everyday bag. And I honestly don't understand why would someone need more than one bag. I can understand if you have like, you know, a few bags of different sizes, because different sizes have like, you know, different purposes in life. I honestly don't get the point of getting a few bags, even though I do have a few bags. Like I have this Louis Vuitton, have this Chanel, like small. I think that's one of the smallest like models they have. I just honestly don't see a point to own all of these. And I think I bought these just to buy stuff, not because I need it. And I hate that, honestly. I don't like it. I don't think it's correct by any means. I think we have to keep our life minimalist because of the environment. I completely against shopping if you don't need the items, I mean, because all manufacturing processes are bad for our environment. So I think we should try to leave just with a few items. Like, you know, I'm not a fan of having like lots of bags. I honestly don't understand the point of that, because I love to wear one same item every single day, and that's it. I mean, if you will go see my closet, it's just I don't have many things. Every single item I own, it's like a high-end, a luxurious item from the high brands, but I don't have a lot because I don't see a point to have a lot. But definitely I'm not looking to sell this one ever. I will just like to keep it and, you know, just to enjoy it and be like, oh my God, my precious, my precious. So guys, that was actually all for today. I truly think you are excited about this purse the way I am. Honestly, I'm not excited anymore. I was excited the first day that I've got it, and then it's done. Like, I mean, it's over as with pretty any item that I ever owned. I'm just not a person of owning stuff. Like, I do want to own something, then I buy it, and then I'm super excited that I bought it, that I own it, but I'm excited exactly for like a few hours, like maybe a day, and that's it. And that's basically over. And then I just don't care anymore. I'm like, okay, so yeah, I have it. And then I just don't care if I have it or I don't have it. I can sell it, you know, I can keep it, like I can gift it, whatever. I just don't care anymore. It's like, to me, it's like done. Okay, I own it. Next. Like, I don't know what type of psychology is that. Let me know down below in the comments. Anyway, guys, let me know your opinion. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would rock this bag, if you like Gucci Guccisimma, and what is the most favorite print in Gucci. I honestly think only Guccisimma is a good looking print. Basically, any other prints, I'm not a fan. Like, honestly, I'm not a fan, like, at all. I think it all looks weird. Most of them looks ugly, and I'm sorry for saying that. It's just my honest opinion, and most of them I will never buy just because it looks weird. Yeah. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.